everybody. Thanks for coming and being here. You know what time it is. Potomac Beads lovers, it is time for another Treasure Edition subscription bead box unboxing. What that means, now that I'm an affiliate with Potomac Beads, you'll find a link in the description box. You can click on it and navigate, check out the products they have to offer. Should you choose to make a purchase, I receive a little commission and I thank you for that. Or you do not have to feel obligated to purchase anything and just check out the site. Either way, let's get into unboxing this month's Treasure Edition subscription box. All right, so this month's theme looks like it's called Everlasting Embrace Treasure Box. Here's the contents. They're Potomac's crystal navettes and check glass boho flower beads. These are 14 millimeter little check star beads in the color fuchsia. They've got a little of that fire polish treatment on there. Those are gorgeous. These are 8 millimeters stars. 5 9mm silver plated bails. Get a strand of purple crazy lace round beads that are 6 millimeters in size. Love that color. Who doesn't like purple? Time for Valentine's Day. I'm seeing a theme here, folks, for February. Check glass heart beads. These are some quad bow beads in the color white lila luster. They're 6 by 15 millimeters and they're a multi-hole bead. Got a couple pairs of the ear wires, the simple ball, 20 by 10.5 millimeter. These are 21 gauges. Tulip beads, 11 millimeters. They've got that nice fire polish going. These are probably my favorite out of the box. A nice size tube of 8/0 Miyuki seed beads. These are silver lined in the color Flame Red AB. Storm Duo beads. They're in the color White Lila Vega Luster. 2 millimeter Potomac crystal bicones in the color Amethyst. Here's a pair of check flower designed ovals. Those are 20 by 16 millimeters. They are Potomac pearls in the color Lavender. These are 6 millimeters in size. And this is a 16-inch strand. Colored. Really check faceted rounds, and these are 10 millimeters in size. Got two different colors here of check faceted rounds. These are 3 millimeters in size. Similar strand and color of the check rounds. These are almost like a clear lavender, 6 millimeter in size. Check round beads in the color Ruby. 2-hole tile check glass beads in the color Violet. Last but not least, you've got a red Potomac Beads branded pen. So there you have it, folks. All the contents of the Everlasting Embrace Treasure Edition subscription bead box by Potomac Beads. Of course, the bead on it board used in the background is sold separately. Highly recommend. This is worth every penny. I'll tell you, I can easily take this to and from my work area to the comfort of my recliner, put my feet up. Nothing's going to go anywhere because it's right here. It's got the bumpers. It's got the comfortable material as a bumper here to rest your needles, rest your wrist. Utilize one. You got to get one if you don't have one. I'm telling you, this is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching. And once again, feel free to check out that link in the description box. We'll see you guys next time.